Studio microphones, they're great and they offer studio audio quality, but they're not so portable. Most of them require heavy audio interfaces, which is not ideal for on-the-go recordings. Sure, I could just get the portable Zoom H1 audio recorder, but that's way out of my budget. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a DIY audio interface that can connect most studio XLR microphones to any smartphones and can support 9 volts of phantom power for condenser microphones. I'm sure most of you guys watching are familiar with the iPhone headset port, which combines microphone and headphones in one port. The original goal of this DIY was to be able to connect any XLR mic into that port and record high quality audio. The problem is you can't get high quality audio from that port since the audio interface inside smartphones are often cheap and low quality. So the solution is to create our own audio interface that can connect to the smartphone, which is what we'll be building today. Here's a list of materials that you need for this build. All purchasing links are in the description. The Sabrent USB audio adapter is a great choice for the audio interface since it can be connected to both Android and iOS via an OTG cable. It's also very cheap and offers a very high quality recording with a very low noise floor. I wanted this build to also supply phantom power for my BM800 condenser microphone that I purchased for the purpose of testing this build. I found out through research that most condenser microphones that uses an electric capsule technology does not require the full 48 volts of phantom power and can easily run on a 9 volt battery without any quality loss. Now, I can't guarantee that this will work with all electric condenser microphones, but it definitely worked with the BM800. If you're using a dynamic microphone or a mic that has its own battery slot, then you don't need phantom power. Here's the wiring diagram for the first part of the build. First, solder both the left and right channel into one strand of the male connector and the female connector of the 3.5mm jack as shown in this diagram. And then solder it to a 6.6 kilo ohm resistor also shown in the diagram. The positive terminal of the 9 volt battery will be soldered onto the other side of the resistor followed by a switch. And then the ground connectors will be all soldered into one joint. Then, lastly, the 3.5mm jack will connect to the USB sound card and the build is complete. Here's what mine look like. I use heat shrink to protect the wiring, but you can also use electrical tape. I zip tied down everything to make it very compact and use double-sided tape to hold the switch in place. Now it's just a matter of connecting your OTG cable to your microphone to this device and also enabling the Sabrent USB sound card to communicate with your phone. If your microphone requires a 9 volt phantom power, flick the switch to the on position. Just to show you guys the quality of this audio interface, this entire audio portion of the DIY video was recorded with this interface via an audio recording app with the BM800 microphone. Now I can get high quality recordings on the go without the need of heavy and expensive audio interfaces. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this build and I'll see you next time.